Today we have R.Arunachalam Sir, Senior Scientist retired, R Rao Satellite Centre, ISRO, Bangalore. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Let me ask you some questions, sir. In your opinion, how can robotics and mechanical engineering further enhance their skill to contribute in this drone development design, sir?
So basically aeronautical engineering is a separate branch which specializes in aircraft design like aerodynamics, structures, propulsion, controls, avionics. But today in the world it is all interconnected, all engineering branches. Nothing can survive all alone. Mechanical now, lot of electronics control, even for manufacturing a lot of electronic control has come. Medical equipment, lot of electronics is there. Even electronics engineering requires a mechanical, but to build the equipment. Medical equipment requires some mechanical. So it's all interconnected. Today's world, there is a lot of opportunity for each and every branch. And basically engineering, in the beginning it started with main branches are mechanical, civil and electrical. Today from that only a lot of other civil, electrical, electronics, robotics, this, that, everything. It's all development, technology development in terms of time. I have seen, my childhood, I have seen only aircraft, some passenger aircraft flying in the sky. Today children, my grandchildren are seeing launch vehicles, satellite and something going to Mars, beyond Voyager, they talk about it. So nobody can stop this type of technical evolution. So mechanical or any branch, even chemical engineering or robotics, data science, today artificial intelligence, today people talk about that. These are everything is important. People can contribute to any field. It's not only, see, need not one has to focus only on space, but there are a lot of other things are there. And aeronautics engineering can only focus on aerospace engineering, but mechanical or electronics or control people can contribute in any field. So such a wide opportunities are available mechanical engineers.
Then how was your stay in the campus and the infrastructure of our campus, sir?
Big campus encompassing all the branches, all school, medical, then nursing, everything. And whatever I have seen before coming, I have gone through some online information. It looks it is a very good campus and maintained very good management, focusing on education. I wish all the success for the campus.
Okay, sir. Which model of flight demonstrated on this event is your favorite or grabbed your attention, sir?
So as a judge, I am participating in this competition which is conducted by SAE for Southern Section every year. I am participating from 2019 onwards. So a lot of enthusiasm is there from students. I see non-aerospace engineering branches, boys and girls are showing a lot of interest, and either they have designed whether it's a micro class or other normal class, EOB, they have put their effort, and many of the models are flying successfully. Today also we have seen very good performance, and this type of opportunity was not available during our time. So today I see a lot of inter-college competition all over India. So today I see people are coming from all over India. This set of opportunity was not available earlier days. So students get, first of all, they get experience coming all over here and mixing with all other different type of students. They can get knowledge, and when they are doing the project, whether it's aerospace or non-aerospace engineers, they try to understand a new subject. That is interest to learn new things. It is coming out of their mind. And when the project is executed, when they are building a model, they get the whatever satisfaction they get, it cannot express. And finally, when their model successfully flew and it meets the whatever criteria put by the organization and land, their confidence level goes very high. So that gives confidence and enough courage to take new challenges. So when they are coming out of the college, then with this knowledge, with the whatever confidence they have gained, they can do wherever they go, whether it is a job or nowadays many of the students are showing their interest to lot of new ideas they are having and they want to have their own startup. And because of space policy is relaxed for the past 5 years, there are a lot of opportunity, so many branches are available. They can build a satellite, they can launch satellite, they can operate, they can make liquid propellant engine or hybrid engine, they can make their own launch vehicle. This is a fast opportunities are available. So this type of competition they give lot of encouragement and they confident to those people. So who are participating this type of competition, definitely they will, once they come out of their college, definitely they have good opportunity to shine, whether they go for a job or they have their own company. Definitely they will have a good opportunity.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.